Okay, hi guys. So each week I'll make a video where I talk about the lessons and the assignments that you're going to be doing for the week. Um, everything is going to be, all of the assignments will be posted in Google Classroom. So if you start in our class stream and then you go to classwork, you'll see it'll say what week we're in. This is week one, and you will just follow through these assignments. You can do these assignments on whatever day you want. Like you don't have to do day 2 assignment on a Tuesday and day 5 assignment on a Friday. But just make sure that you are attending our live classes on the days when we have live class so that you are counted present. So for week one, we are going to be using an app in your myapps.class link that is called Xello, Xello, and you're going to be working on some study skills and habits. So we're going to kind of work through these things in Xello for the first few weeks, and then hopefully be getting into graphic design very soon when we have everything ready on your laptops. So by the end of this week, I'm hoping that you can identify your skills, habits, and behaviors that you need to be successful in high school. I want you to be able to plan how to develop positive study habits and behaviors, and maybe even find some obstacles to your success so that you can figure out what those are and get rid of them. So what you'll do is you'll go through each day's assignment. And like I said, we'll be using Xello. So for day one, using ClassLink, you're going to select the Xello app. So everybody knows ClassLink looks kind of like this. You'll find Xello. It's on mine, it's the last one. I don't know if yours will be the same, but it's Xello. You'll click it, and it's going to take you to a dashboard with lessons and all kinds of things. Um, So for day one, you guys are going to complete the following: study skills survey, facing hurdles head on, and time management skills. So where it says study skills and habits, you will click get started. You'll work through that at your own pace. Then when you've done these three things, you'll come back to Google Classroom and you'll need to do these assessments for day one. So you can do the work in Xello, but if you don't do these assessments, you did not complete the assignment. And I need to make sure that that is really clear for you guys. So you'll do those assessments. And then, like I said, if you want to do day 1 and day 2 on one day, that's fine. So you're going to work through these study skills. You'll go back to Xello for day 2, do these 3 lessons, and then do these assessments. And then we kind of shift gears, still in week one, but a new lesson where we are looking at 3 saved careers from the first study skills and habits lesson. And you'll investigate things like work-life balance in that career. How much money do they make? How much difference do they make in the world? What education is required? And you'll do these things in that Xello lesson. Then you'll go through day 3, 4, and 5 and make sure in each day that you are coming back and you're doing these assignments that are in Google Classroom. So you go to Xello, you do those things, then you come back to Google Classroom to complete this. Let me know by email if you have any questions, problems, concerns with the assignment or with Xello, and I'll try to help you figure it out. Okay, I hope you have a good week and I will see you in class. Bye.